So here's how you can keep multiple versions of Logic Pro on your computer at the same time. So right now I'm in Finder, I'm in my application folder. If you want to get to your application folder, once you're in Finder, just press Command-Shift-A and that will take you to your application folder. And you can use the up and down arrows to find Logic Pro. Now, once you locate Logic Pro, as you can see, I have done here.
Logic Pro app, application.
Then the next step is going to be to press Command-D to duplicate this.
Duplicate.
It's going to go ahead.
Logic Pro copy, stop progress, button, copy, window.
And create a duplicate, and it will just name it Logic Pro Copy. As you'll see here in a second, I'll just go ahead and fast forward through this section so that you can see what it looks like once it's done duplicating logicpro.app.
Now in Applications, Window, Column View, Browser, one item selected, Logic Pro Copy App.
You see we have Logic Pro Copy App.
Logic Pro App, Application.
And Logic Pro App. I'm going to up arrow back to Logic Pro Copy.
Logic Pro Copy App,
and I like to rename this with the current version. So right now, this is Logic version 11.0.1. So I'm just going to rename this to Logic Pro 1101. So I know what version of Logic this is. So I'm going to hit return on this.
Logic Pro Copy App, Logic Pro Copy, is selected edit text.
And I'm just going to find the word
Logic
copy.
Pro app, copy.
And I just did option left to right arrow to find copy. Now I'm just going to use shift right arrow to select copy.
C-O-P-Y. Selected.
And I'm going to type 1101, so 1101.
Applications, window, column view, browser, one item selected. Logic Pro 1101 app, group, row 1 of 1.
All right, so now I have that, and what will happen is when I open the App Store and update Logic, it's going to update
Logic Pro app, application.
The one called Logic Pro App. So that's going to get updated to Logic Pro 11.1 or whatever the new version of Logic is. And then should there be any issues and you need to use an old version of Logic, you can always come into your application folder.
Logic Pro 1101 app, application.
And launch Logic Pro 1101 or whatever you renamed this to. If you press Command-I, it will show you the version number for each of them as well. That's how you can keep two different versions of Logic Pro on your system. And now I'm going to go ahead and open the App Store and update to the new version of Logic. As always, until next time, happy recording.